Hi guys, this is Kat and Smokey the Bird. We are out at camp and we are doing a Canadian Tire unboxing, only I'm not going to unbox it on camera because I can't. I'm just holding my camera with my other hand. Hey Smokey? So this is my old air purifier. You can see it's sitting on a chair because I wanted it to be high enough, and I've got it between me and the bird because we're at camp and I love it out here very much, but it's not sealed like it is at home. The windows are like 61 years old. The whole camp is 61 years old. So there's spaces in between the doors and the windows where air gets in. And when the air quality is bad, I usually run my little air purifier, but it's not strong enough when the air quality is really bad. And we've had some really, really bad days where it's been way up in the red. So I saw that Canadian Tire had this Noma True HEPA large room air purifier on sale for $149. It was on sale for 46% off from what it usually is. So I bought it, and I knew it said large, but because I didn't go into the store and I just bought it online, I had no idea how much bigger it was going to be. Now, it's not going to be the same size of this box, obviously, but I really wasn't even expecting such a big box. I'm so excited. So hopefully this will help our breathing for both of us, because Smokey and I are both very susceptible to bad air quality. Hey, Smokey? So I ordered this online and I paid for it, and my dad was coming up today, so I asked if he would stop at the Canadian Tire and get it for me and bring it out here, and he did. And they didn't give him a hard time at all. So I will take it out of the box and I'll come back when it is up and running and let you see what it looks like. So $149 at Canadian Tire, and I'm sure it's going to be great. It has a true HEPA filter. It removes 99.97% of airborne particles, as small as 0.3 microns, and it has a bunch of settings, and I'm just going to always keep it on when the air quality is bad. Are you Smokey? So it's going to be so much better to breathe out here. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so here's what it looks like with the top flap open. I'm standing next to it. It is, as it's waist high. It's like a really big box. So it comes with the instructions and some styrofoam, and there is the top of it, and it looks like there's the cord, and I'm not sure if I could just pull it out or not. No, I can't do it one-handed, you guys, so I'll come back when it's out. Okay guys, I have both of them together. You could see my little Deedmo is standing on a chair, and how much smaller it is compared to the Noma one. Smokey, what do you think of the new air purifier? Now, the new one is so quiet, I couldn't even hear it. It's on right now. This guy here makes a lot of noise. Here, let me shut him off. So that one is off, and you can hear how quiet this one is. Now, I just have it on, and I don't know if I have it on the right thing or not. So I have to read the instructions, but if I want, I could set it for 2 hours or 4 hours, 8 hours. There's the timer. There's like nighttime mode and daytime mode, and I don't know what these different modes mean. So I have to read about it, but I just wanted to show you. And I'm super excited because I wanted a new one for a long time, because with the air quality, I mean, this little one does a great job, but it doesn't circulate the air in a larger room enough. Like, that's good for a little bedroom. But this will be good for like the whole camp, and I think I'll put the little one in the other room. So yeah, I'll keep the big one here, and we'll see if it makes a big difference. So super stoked. Smokey, what do you think? Do you like the new air purifier? You think it's going to help? Going to clean the air for me and you? So we don't have to breathe in the smoke when the smoke days are bad? Today is a good day. Today it is fair. So it's not like perfect, but it's not that bad. On bad days, when I just step a few steps outside, I start wheezing and coughing immediately, and I can't go out. So today I can open the windows and let some air in. I'm gonna shut this off. I just had it on to show you what it sounds like, and yeah, super excited. All right, I'll let you know how it works, whether it was worth the money. $149 on sale, and it was 46% off, so not quite 50%, but I figured that was as close as it was going to get, so I bit the bullet last night, because I would rather feel safer and hopefully not get sick this year. Last year at camp, I got real sick. So hopefully this will help. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button and the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy shopping. Bye, guys. Smokey, you gonna say bye? Can you say bye to everyone? Sorry, my finger was in the way. Smokey, can you say bye? She's not gonna say anything. All right.